Now this says empty house tour, but she's not empty or completely done or clean. We don't have any siding yet, but that's fine. This is going into the garage. We still have our siding in here. I can't remember. I don't think there was any drywall last tour. From the garage into the house. This is my office / spare bedroom. All the rooms, the doors are the color of the rooms. So purple room. We'll do this side first. Blue bathroom. We need to put the mirror up still. And change the hue of that light to match. We mostly have shelving and trim left on the inside. This is Jacob's office. Red door. His Christmas presents. The lake outside. Main bedroom. That's where the bed is gonna go. Shower's not done in here. There's gonna be shelving right here. That's not done. They had to take the doors off because I had to fix the sink. Trim is obviously not done in here. This is going to be the closet. We need shelving. It goes into the laundry room. This goes into the pantry. There's gonna be shelving on here for like food and cleaning supplies. There's gonna be a countertop here, not this, and the microwave that's in my office at the moment, which goes into the hall. There's Jacob eating bagel thins. I said you're eating bagel thins. Aren't they called that? Bagel bites.
Garlic snacks.
I thought they were made out of bagel. Window wall.
Oh, they sliced up out of bacon.
There's gonna be shelving on this side of the mantle where those metal things are sticking out. coffee bar. This is the kitchen. Pink fridge. Junk on the floor. There's gonna be backsplash, but that's not done either. Also, these shelves are gonna be like, though you won't be able to see the, shaky, shaky. Won't be able to see the metal rods. We just put them up there for right now. The front door that probably barely anybody's gonna use. Oh goodness, sorry, shake, shake. All the windows are drywall and then just maple windowsills. It's so pretty. Oh, the ceiling. Plywood ceiling. Oh, I forgot to show you the hallway ceiling. The table. This is like the dining room area and then the living room area. The hallway ceiling is also plywood. What? See-through fireplace. Turn it on. You can pick what color you want the lights to be. I don't know if you can see that. No lights. Once we get the Christmas tree out of here, this is the reading nook. We're gonna put this couch in there. There's also an ottoman that goes with it. Then all these big windows, we also did the drywall, and then there's a bug. The wood windowsill. No snow, unfortunately. A little bit of a mess. The stairs aren't done either. These are going to be wrapped in maple. That's all that's left with the stairs. We did carpet up here. This is the attic or future more rooms. There's already a tub in here for a future bathroom. We have a lot of junk in here. Well, not all of it. And yeah. Empty house tour before we move in. We're gonna move in and work on the trim and shelving while we're moved in. don't think we had a concrete poured for the back porch last tour. Just covered in siding. We need to do some yard work. There's a bird screaming. We have a chicken coop, but that's not quite done. A sidewalk. The yard is a mess, but we're gonna have to fix that in the spring/summer. And also do the siding. And we have a driveway. And that's what the house looks like. Beauty and grace. Okay, see you later.
I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano.